Hello, sorry for calling so late, but I have to tell you something, okay? Last week, something crazy happened. I was out for a walk in the middle of the night, you know.
Hello beautiful people, I am Jaydeep Dholakia welcoming you to the first tutorial of 2018. In this tutorial we're gonna learn how to do a phone call voice effect, just like Andreas Hem uses in most of his vlogs. So for this effect you will need two things. First you will need is Adobe Audition. It is a computer software. You will be able to download it from link below in my description box. You will be able to download full crack version of the software. Secondly, after you install that, you will also need to install an application named RecForce 2 to record audio from your phone. It's up to you to record from your default recorder of your phone or any other recording device. So after you install the software and recorded audio, take it into the computer and we'll see how to do this effect. Okay, so now inside my computer, as you can see, I have already recorded my audio and transferred it to my computer and named it as first pair. Before we start editing it, let's hear how it sounds before the effect.
Thank you for picking up the call. I know it will sound crazy, but today at the end of the year I want to...
Okay, so now we'll open Adobe Audition. I have the CC 2018 version, so if you don't have it or have any older versions, then download it from the link given in my description box. So after opening it, we will drag our audio into the files window. Now double click on it so our audio will be seen in the editor panel. Before we apply our main effect, we will remove the background noise by selecting a portion in which I am not speaking. Then go to the effects and then select noise reduction / restoration and then click on get noise profile. Now just click on OK. Now double click or press Ctrl+A to select the whole audio. Now again go to the effects and noise reduction / restoration and then click on noise reduction. Now just click apply as it has already taken a selected background sound as reference. So now there will be no background sound, or to say less background sound. Okay, so now I'll delete the unwanted part of my audio by selecting it and then pressing delete on the keyboard. Now again press double click on it or Ctrl+A and then head over to the effects rack and select the AM radio preset. So now play the audio.
Hey, hi Jaydeep, thank you for picking up the call. I know it will sound crazy, but today at the end of the year I want to tell you that why I started...
Now just click on apply. But the sound is very low. So to again normalize or to say raise it, select the whole audio and then go to the effects, then amplitude and compression and then select normalize process. So I will keep it to normalize to 95%. You could decide it for your own as per requirement. So now it has been normalized.
Hey, hi Jaydeep, thank you for picking up the call. I know it will sound crazy.
Final step is to go to the file, then export, then again file, or just press Ctrl+Shift+E, then select the name and the format like MP3 or WAV. By this, you will be able to change it to 320 kbps, which is higher quality audio based on MP3. I will keep it as WAV as it helps more in further editing. Now select the path where you want to save and then just click OK. So our effect is added and we have exported our audio. So as you see, after that you will be able to convert this audio.
Hey, hi Jaydeep, thank you for picking up the call. I know it will sound crazy, but today at the end of the year I want to tell you that why I started to create videos and why I love to create them
Into this.
Hey, hi Jaydeep, thank you for picking up the call. I know it will sound crazy, but today at the end of the year I want to tell you that why I started to create videos and why I love to create them.
Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. If you have any other suggestions, any questions, any queries or any requests for any other tutorial, any other effect that other creators use, then write it down below in the comment section. I'll be responding to each and every comment. That's all for this tutorial.
That's all we got.